Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So connecting Etsy to eBay allows you to sell the same products on both marketplaces while managing inventory and orders more efficiently. With the right integration tool, you can sync listings, update stock automatically, and manage orders from a single dashboard. So since Etsy and eBay don't offer a native direct connection, sellers typically use a multi-channel integration tool to link the two platforms. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to connect Etsy to eBay in 2026 safely and correctly. So first thing first, choose an Etsy eBay integration tool. So several multi-channel tools allows Etsy and eBay to connect. Popular options include LitCommerce, Sellbrite, InkFrog, Marketplace Connect. So these tools allow you to sync products, manage orders, and update inventory automatically. So many tools offer free trial or basic plans. So to begin, go to the website of your chosen integration tool, click sign up, and create an account using email address, Google account, or basic business information. So after that, connect your Etsy shop. So inside the integration platform, click add sales channel, choose Etsy, and sign into your Etsy seller account, and then click allow access. So this authorizes the tool to access your Etsy store. Etsy must approve the connection. Okay, so connect your eBay account now. So next, connect your eBay store. So click add channel, select eBay, log into your eBay seller account, and authorize the integration. So your eBay account will now appear in the integration dashboard. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.